Hey friends, we are here to do a YouTube paycheck stuffing. I'm super excited, and of course, before we get into anything, I want to say a huge thank you to each and every one of you, because without you, this stuffing would not be possible. I am so grateful you're here. I am so grateful for all of your support, no matter how you support me. Just thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm going to show you the money. We're going to get into it. I think it'll be a pretty short video today because we don't have a ton to do. So this is May. This paycheck is for April. You get paid a month behind. So the paycheck was $157. We're going to put $100 to taxes, $37 to Christmas, and $20 to vacation. I know these are small amounts, but every dollar adds up. You all know that by now. Even if you're stuffing $5 or $10 into a fund, guess what? That money does build up over time. So we are keeping our savings going as much as possible. And yes, it's all gonna pay off for us in the end. I have not gotten this paycheck yet. I actually will get it probably tomorrow. But I already know the amount, so that's how I'm able to do this stuffing. So I do have the money broken up here already. Again, I think this video will be pretty short. Let's start with taxes. I am doing the bulk of this money in taxes because the next quarterly tax payment is due when? June 15th or 16th. And so I know these dates say 2024, but these are pretty accurate for 2025. I didn't change the tracker. So yeah, I still need over 200 to reach my goal for the June payment. So that's why we're doing 100 into taxes. So let me add that onto my tracker here really quick. Okay, so now here in taxes, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 50, 500, 50, 600, 10, 25, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 639. I need 840, so still $200. And so I'm hoping to be able to do that. I mean, I have to do that, right? I know I do have a small Etsy payout coming the beginning of June. That's probably going to be the last Etsy payout I get before this payment is due. So if I need to, I may have to take every single dollar from that to finish that out. But we're just going to see how that goes. Okay, so that is taxes. Next, let's do vacation, just because that is super quick. And like I said, it's only $20 going here into vacation, but again, it is still keeping the savings going, and so that is what is important. For vacation, I'm working on these two savings challenges from Lisa Grateful Me. Her Etsy shop is called The Happy Mailbox Co., and these are 2 digital downloads. And we're just doing $20, so let's just color in one of these 20s down here. And I have to think what color I want to do. Okay, we're going to go with yellow. I'm just going to do this 20 right here. And that is super quick and easy. So let's add the 20. And let's see what we have now. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 35, 45, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70, 1, 2, 3, 173. And that makes me happy. This is saving for the cruise that we're going on in August. This is going to be my spending money. My goal is to get to 500. So we're off to a good start there. And then last but not least, we're going to do Christmas. Now, I was going to put the rest, the full 57 into Christmas. But I have been doing really good with my Christmas savings. So, yeah, I decided to just put a little bit towards vacation because, like I said, I want to keep that going. So we're only going to put 37 in here, but that's fine. Again, I think I'm on track with my savings. And so, yeah. Okay, so this is my Festive and Feisty binder. My version is $2,000, but it does also come in a $1,000 version. It's available in my Etsy shop. And we already completed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we are on this one here. We do have a $2 IOU. And we have 1 scratch. So are we going to finish this with what we have plus the $2 IOU? I doubt it, because these are pretty big numbers. But let's see. 20, 35, 6, 7. So 37. And then minus our $2 IOU. So we have 35. Maybe if this is a 35 or less, then we officially will finish this challenge and move on. So let's hope this is a lower number. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, okay. It's a 30, but yay, we still have $5 left. That makes me super happy. Another challenge finished, and we're definitely on track to finish this by October. So that makes me super happy. Minus 30, we have $5 left, and we officially finished this challenge. Now let's see what we have next. Next is Oh Snap. Okay, and it's a coloring challenge. So we only have $5, so we're definitely going to have an IOU, but that's okay. At least I can see what the numbers are on this one, and then I can go for, you know, the number I want. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do this 10 right here, and I'm just going to color over the number because whatever. But then I'm going to come back and update my IOU. So my IOU is going to be for 5 instead of 2. So I just have this little magic eraser here. This is my magnetic bookmark. These, I might still have some of these left, I think, in my Etsy shop. And I'm going to write 5 on here so I know I have a $5 IOU. I'm happy that this page is coloring because, again, I know the numbers, but there's 3 30s on here. Ouch. That's going to be a tough one. But like I said, it's okay because we are on track. Okay, so let me clip this on here so I know where we're at. And then we're going to put the money in, and then we're going to be done already because it is very easy to spend $157. Okay, so let me put in the money. And we'll count it up and see where we're at. All right, so for Christmas of 2025, we have 1,000, 100, 20, 40, 50, 65, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1175 for Christmas. Yay! That makes me so, so happy. Very, very excited about that. Excited to be on track. And if I can finish this early, that would be absolutely amazing. I don't think I'll be able to, but I guess you never know. All right, that is it for this short and sweet little video. Thank you for watching till the end. I am so grateful that you are here with me. Again, a huge thank you for all of your support, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.